over this. All right, this is week 8, Tuesday, assignment 6B. This is the second part. And now we're finding volume. All right, so which one do you want to go over? We're finding volume, so do you want to go over 1A or 2A? Your choice. 2A. Okay. 2A, what are the two shapes?
Pyramid and cube. Or rectangular prism.
Plus, and I would love to help you, but my freaking pen is not working. Okay. How do you find the volume of a pyramid?
1/3 area base times height.
Good, because it's pointing, correct?
Yes.
Now, you can imagine the area of the base looks like this. What shape is that?
Triangle.
Yeah, it's like a triangle. It's this triangle. I highlight it. What are the two sides for this triangle? We're not triangle. Area of the base. Area. The area of the base is not a triangle. It's a rectangle or a square or whatever. It's a rectangle.
Okay.
What are the two different sides for this?
Two.
Actually, it's well, this is actually a really shitty picture. Look over here. Do you see how this side is 10? This is saying this right here is 8. This to here, this part right here, from the top to the center of this is 6. I'm assuming this one is 10 as well, but it doesn't tell you that.
Yeah.
Do you see how badly that's done?
1/8.
No, it's 10 and 10, so it's 100. Do you see that? Area of the base is 100 times. What's the height?
The height.
Look at the green part that I just posted. Remember from here to here,
6.
it's 6, right? And how did I get that? It's right there. It's on the outside, correct? 6 is not the slanted height. Do you understand what I mean? That's not it. Okay, then 1/3. So remember, what is 1/3 of 6?
1/3 of 6 is
2 times 100 is?
200.
So you keep that. That's your volume of your pyramid, okay? Now let's find the area of, or the volume of the rectangular prism. That should be fairly easy because isn't this just going to be the area of the base?
Yes.
Times what?
Times height.
Okay. Now either draw your area of the base because you can't see it. So highlight it, please. Okay. So and then also, draw right here so that way you know what are the two sides.
Two sides. A rectangle.
What are the two sides? I want a number. It's not a rectangle. We just already established that. We told you it's a square. It's a 10 by 10 square. It's a 10 by 10 square. 8 is not that. 8 is the height right here. Do you understand? It's not that. I told you it's a 10 by 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. What's your height? What's 8 times 100?
800.
Add it together, please. With the volume, because it's like you're pouring a water in there, we don't need to take away any surfaces. Do you understand? Did she even go over one of these for you?
No.
Of course she didn't. That one's done. You're gonna do the other one on your own. So is there an answer there that's 1,000? Yes. So what are we supposed to do with this right here? Find the volume. Cross out the letter above each correct answer. When you finish, write the remaining letters. Okay, so we're gonna cross this one out. All right, let's go on to the next one. Let's go on to,
All of it?
no, I'm just gonna do one of each. So we're gonna go on to, okay, so you see how like 1A and 2A and 1B and 2B, they're exactly the same practically? You're gonna do that one on your own. I'm gonna go over 1B with you, okay?
Okay.
So that way you have an idea of how to do that. 1B, what are the two different shapes?
Rectangular prism.
The big rectangular prism plus a small rectangular prism, correct? Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the big rectangular prism. Rectangular prism, you are going to use the area of the base times the height, correct?
Mm.
Now, with this one, you're going to have to try to imagine what the base is. Now, can you agree that the base is going to be exactly the same as the top part right here?
Yes.
It's going to be exactly the same, correct?
Yes.
So, on this top part, what are the two dimensions that I need?
Two dimensions of the 7 and 5.
Good, that gives you 35. What's the height of this?
8.
Good. Now do that.
Yeah.
Don't get cocky. You're going to mess up, I know it.
What?
Don't get cocky. Cocky means like you're too confident. That's what it means. Doesn't mean like it's a cock. It's not talking about dick. The cocky.
That's literally not right.
Okay, then what? I'm like, what are you talking about?
No, I don't know. Talking.
I said, don't get too cocky about it because you're like, yeah, I got that answer. I'm like, just wait till you fail.
Most things are classic.
Yeah, okay.
I don't actually think I'm gonna get this correct. 280.
Good. Small rectangle. Okay, remember it's area of the base, highlight the base, times the height. Okay, do you see the base is gonna be the same thing as the top part right there?
Yes.
Okay, what are the two dimensions?
The 2 dimensions is I have to subtract 9 from something. 9.
You're right, you have to subtract 9 from something.
So 7 and 2.
No, 7 is correct. 9 minus what gives you that side?
9 minus 7.
No. You're looking at this part right here. Correct?
Oh, 9 minus 5.
Which is?
4.
You need to go ahead and do this on a step. Do you see how I break this down so pieces by pieces so I know exactly what I'm looking at? You need to do the same thing. Don't be lazy about it. Go get a separate piece of paper. I don't understand why you don't have a separate piece of paper. How are you going to do that without it? So the base. 4 times 7. Do you understand it's 4? It's 9 minus 5. What's the height?
8.
No. 8 is his entire thing.
Sorry, 3.
Do you think it matters that you get this right? Add it together, please. I'm sorry if I'm yelling at you, but I'm just fucking irritated with this bullshit. You don't get it. Clearly you don't. Let's vote on 3. You want to do 3A or 4A? Your choose.
I don't know.
You choose. Pick one. Which one? Let's just do 3A. What shape is it?
Cylinder and cone.
Start with the cone. What's the volume of a cone?
1/3 area base height.
Okay. What size? What shape is the area of the base?
Circle.
What's your radius here?
6.
What is 6 squared?
36.
1/3 of 36 is what?
1/3 of 6. 2 or
36 divided by 3.
12.
What's your height?
My height is 7.
So what's 7 times 12 pi?
84 pi.
Good. Now we're gonna look at the cylinder. How do you find the area or volume of the cylinder?
Area base times height.
Again, area of the base is still the circle, right? Didn't we just find the area from the last one? The area of the base was 36 pi, right? What's the height again for the cylinder?
Height for the cylinder is 8.
Yeah, it's not 7, right? It's 8. So add it together, 36 times 8. Add the two together. That's how you find the volume. Does that make sense? Okay, I'm gonna go over 4B with you and then we're done. Okay, then you do the rest on your own tomorrow. Okay. Oh, did you find the answers there? 372. Oh, motherfucker, why doesn't it have it? Let me check to see what we did wrong. Area of the base is 6 squared times, oh, wait a second. No, that's correct. Divided by 3. 84. No, that's correct. Okay, the reason why it doesn't have it is because you see how the answer does not have pi on any of them? So you do 372 times 3.14, which is 1168. Found it right here. You see it? And this is meters cubed. So cross that out. Got it? Okay, next one that we did was 1B, 364. 364, so cross that out too. You see that?
Yes.
Okay, so if you don't have the answer, 372, pi, look at the answers. There's no pi, so make sure you times it by 3.14. All right, let's go on to the next one. We're gonna do 4B. What are the shapes of 4B?
The shapes of 4B are a rectangular prism.
No, a triangular prism is on top, and what?
Rectangular prism.
Rectangular prism on the bottom. All right, triangular prism. How do you find the volume of a triangular prism? Is it times 1/3? Okay, that's right. Area of the base. But you have to be careful with this one. Area of the base has to be that of a triangle. Yes? So you're looking at this triangle. Yes? Okay, so how do you find the area of that?
1/2 base times height.
What's your base?
My base.
No, look at the picture. You gotta kind of highlight that. You don't need to redraw it. Just make sure you highlight it. So what is your base of that triangle that you just highlighted?
11.
What is your height?
6.
Good. 1/2 of 6 is 3, correct? What's 3 times 11?
33.
Good. Times height. What is the height? Yeah, be careful. The height is gonna be a little bit different. You gotta think about this triangle like on sides. So what's the height that we have not used? It's 14. Do you see why it's 14? Okay, look up here. Imagine this thing right here.
So to the side.
Yeah.
Oh.
Imagine this thing flipped over to the side. If I flip, fucking piece of shit. If I imagine this flipped over to the side like this, do you see how the height is going to be the orange part right there?
Yeah.
And what's that orange part? Good. So 33 times 14. $462. Rectangular prism. How do you find the area of the rectangular prism?
The area of a rectangular prism. Area base times height.
Okay. Where is the area of the base?
The area of the base.
I'm just gonna do this rectangle right here. Do you see this rectangle right here? This one right here in red. What are the dimensions of that? Good. That gives you 88, correct? What's the height?
14.
Yeah, same height, correct? Now let's multiply that. Okay, there you go. It's LY, correct? All right, that concludes that. I'm gonna have you finish the rest of these. Do you see how 5A right here? Let me just help you with this. My freaking pen works. 5A. Do you see to find the volume of the cylinder minus the volume of the sphere? Do you see that? That's what you're gonna do. Okay. For 6A, this is 5A, correct? Write that down. So you know how to do this. For 6A, it is going to be the volume of the semi-sphere, half a sphere, plus the volume of a full cylinder. Do you understand? All right, that concludes it. I'm gonna stop this right here. I'm sick and tired of doing this bull crap.